On a quiet little farm lived a flock of sheep, all peaceful and serene except for one, Sammy. Sammy had a snoring problem. Not just a little snore, but a colossal, earth-shattering, barn door-swinging snore. His snoring was legendary. The chickens would scatter, the cows would plug their ears, and the pigs would tumble from their muddy beds. Bee zee 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 zee, honk shoo, grrr, echoed through the night. The other sheep tried everything to help. Sally suggested sleeping upside down. Simon recommended a pillow over his head, and Sophie thought marshmallows before bed would do the trick. But nothing worked. Sammy's snoring remained a nightly cacophony. The farmer, exasperated, moved Sammy to the furthest corner of the field, hoping to muffle the noise. But Sammy's snores were too powerful. They shook the trees, startled the ducks, and even made the barn doors swing open. One night, Sally had a brilliant idea. "What if we all snore with Sammy?" she suggested. The other animals loved the idea. That night, under the starry sky, a chorus of snores filled the air. The chickens' soft clucks, the cows' gentle moos, the pigs' little oinks, and Sammy's mighty snores all blended together into a surprisingly harmonious symphony. No one's snore was louder than the others. It was a peaceful, unified sound. Surprisingly, this worked. The other animals were soothed by the collective snoring, and even Sammy seemed to snore a little quieter, feeling less alone in his noisy slumber. The farm, once disturbed by Sammy's solo performance, was now filled with a comforting, unified, slumberous hum. The sheep, cows, chickens, and pigs all slept soundly, finally finding peace in their collective nighttime chorus.